Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the latest Apple AirPods 4 from Apple and I'm going to tell you how to fix that your headphones can't connect with your Android phone. So, at first we have to close the case lid and wait for around 20 seconds. The best value that is provided by Apple is 30 seconds, but for me, honestly, you don't have to wait that much time. After that you have to do not touch the touch sensor and open the case. Now you have to double tap the touch sensor triple times, as you can see, like I did now. Now we have to wait until our hard reset is done, and now we have to go into our Bluetooth settings of our Android phone, forget the previous ones if we did connect earlier, and disable Bluetooth for a moment. Now we can close the case meantime, and here we have to wait again some around 20 seconds. After that time we can check if we can connect. Enable Bluetooth, go back, parent device, and as you can see, AirPods pair. As you can see, there was no problem. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.